A popular Kirksville walking trail will soon be repaired. The rainy summer brought drainage issues along the walking trail that surrounds the Kirksville R III campus. School board members recently approved a bid from B&S contractors to repair the drain along Hamilton Street. The bid to repair the issue totals more than $15,000. Additional drainage tiles along the trail will be placed on Hamilton Street. Kirksville Superintendent Damon Kazire told us improvement projects in the district will always be a top priority.
Very excited about that project and trying to keep the campus as beautiful as we can, because it's a huge reflection upon the community. It's a huge reflection upon Kirksville School District.
Once repaired, the drainage tiles will tie into the city sewer system. A date to begin the repairs has not yet been announced.